Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then click on a new one, and here, as you can see, we are set up with English US. If you would like to change it, click on the settings icon, select languages and types, and now click on manage input languages. And here you've got all possible options. As you can see, there are some languages that you can download. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and you will be able to download them, or you can pick something from those, and let me choose, for example, this one. Now we can switch English off. Let's go back, and as you can see, right now the keyboard language has been changed, and now you can smoothly use it in the preferred language. If you would like to go back to English, just click on the settings again, select languages and types, go to manage input languages, enter English and unmark the current language. And now, as you can see, we are back in English US. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.